Good morning. I'm on this roof of claim number 1171R054V. It is June 20th, 2025. Currently 75 degrees and I'm on a 612 pitch slope. I'm a contractor to come out here and perform repairs paid for by the carrier. Today I'm going to be documenting this specific shingle repair right here. I already started and numbered off some of the shingles around the shingle I'm going to repair, just so you guys know how many shingles are around this specific shingle. But let's go ahead and get started. I will be using a roof snake as well as a hatchet to put the nails back in place. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started by unsealing some of these shingles. So already this shingle has ripped and not even going in hard. That was a big nail. So it seems like these guys use about 1.25 inch nails. They're really good. So already, before I continue with the repair, let me go ahead and show you this. So, as you can see, the whole top part of the shingle is completely sticked on to the shingle above it. All that and you will clearly see that I was being as gently as possible because of how sticked on these shingles are together. It made it basically impossible to take out this shingle without ripping it apart. Already on the shingle above it, small rip here, whole bunch of mat and transfer. Now I'm not going to continue this repair because clearly it's not repairable. I can't repair the shingle. Just taking it out, you can already start to see some fractures on top of the shingle as well. I'm going to take my paintbrush These shingles down here have not been manipulated at all. As you can see, no shingles are being destructive. While on top of here, a lot of granules falling out. This is going to be a failed repair without continuing the repair. Thank you.